Welcome to our Nugget Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker and the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker. Both machines promise to deliver that soft, chewable ice we all love, but which one truly stands out? We'll explore their features, performance, and value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $249. While the EUHOMY model comes in at a more budget-friendly $189. This $60 difference makes the EUHOMY a more attractive option for those looking to save money without sacrificing quality. Let's see how this impacts their overall value. Energy efficiency is another crucial factor to consider. The Silonn uses 300 watts of power, which is significantly higher than the EUHOMY's 128 watts. This means that over time, the EUHOMY will save you money on your electricity bill, making it a smarter choice for the environmentally conscious consumer. In terms of ice production speed, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker has an impressive production time of about 6 minutes, while the EUHOMY takes between 7 to 10 minutes. If speed is your top priority, the Silonn may be the better option, but keep in mind the trade-off with power consumption. In conclusion, both the Silonn and EUHOMY Nugget Ice Makers have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for speed and don't mind spending a bit more on energy, the Silonn is a great choice. However, if you're after a more affordable and energy-efficient option, the EUHOMY is hard to beat. Whichever you choose, you'll be enjoying delicious nugget ice in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.